If you are wondering if Motorola Edge 60 Fusion has bloatware, then the answer is unfortunately yes, we do have some apps that are pre-installed and we cannot actually turn this option off to prevent these apps from being installed on our phone. So I just did a clean initial configuration and I saw a screen where there was a list of apps that will be installed, and unfortunately there was no option that allowed me to actually turn this option off. More precisely, we get apps like this Adobe Scan, Booking.com, TikTok, and LinkedIn, or even Facebook over here. So as you can see, we get a bunch of apps that are pre-installed, and like I said, there is nothing we can do about it during the initial configuration. There's also the Opera browser, so even though you can choose the default browser during the initial configuration, I actually have chosen the Google Chrome browser. The Opera browser was still installed for me. So it seems that the choice doesn't matter, you are installing Opera anyway. Of course, you can uninstall these apps after the initial configuration, but of course you need to keep that in mind that these apps are being installed, whether you like it or not, pretty much. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.